Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am here today to share with you how I planned or yet got ready to journal in my classic Happy Planner. You saw a glimpse of last week. I also have a picture of it up on my Instagram, or I will if I haven't put one up already. This week is going to be different. I'm going to use some rose gold floral clusters, these right here, in the farmhouse sticker book. And I'm going to place this first one down in the lower right hand corner. Now, initially I had planned to put the other one in the lower left hand corner, but then the way that the sticker was lined up, I just completely forgot. So now you're going to see that I'm going to pull this back up and place it in the lower left hand box. It just happens. But this was super sticky. It worked out fine. No harm done. I apologize in advance. I'm going to be using a super pale pink Tombow marker to write the journaling lines, and it's going to be very difficult for you to see. I have made sure to not bump up the exposure, but it's still difficult because it's really just that pale. I'm putting down that full box, and the text on it is just fine. It doesn't bother me or anything like that, but I really didn't want to have any text this week for some reason. So I'm going to place a little wreath sticker over the circle that has the text, and then cover that with a little blush colored label. For some reason, I was really feeling blush and rose gold this week, and so that's what I did here with the overall theme for the week. Now see, there's that rainbow week. I just wanted it to be super different. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm giving it more of a, I don't want to know if I want to say romantic, like not romantic in, love sort of thoughts, but, floral and blush pink and a little bit of, the magical dust up at the top. And so you can see right here, I'm starting with the journaling lines for each day. Again, not taking them all the way to the edges, and then also trying to keep in mind what's realistic for daily bite-sized journaling, that I'm not trying to go crazy, because right now I'm really just trying to establish the pattern of daily journaling versus, getting super deep. I really wanted to write magic up at the top because I just felt like it was going to sort of sum up this week. I don't know why, I was just really getting that vibe. And so I did that brush lettering with the Tombow marker. And then I'm going to continue with my lines. Now, again, the lines go where obviously I don't have decorative stickers. However, I'm also trying to be mindful in those days that I have a lot of room left, maybe 3 full boxes, where I might want to put decorative stickers in the future. So for example, in the Wednesday bottom box, I probably am not going to put something decorative there, since I have a decorative sticker on the bottom on Monday and Tuesday. So that's why I kept that top box blank, because I will probably end up with decorative stickers in the top Wednesday box. It wouldn't matter if I had written lines there. I absolutely could, because I could still cover them with a sticker. However, I just decided to leave it blank for now, and if the mood struck me on Wednesday, I could add more lines then. So I'm just going to continue adding my lines, and then I'm also, because on Wednesday and Thursday, I have a little bit more room next to the holes for the discs. So I'm taking that line out just a little bit further to take advantage of that extra space, and then also not crowd Tuesday and Friday quite so much either. It actually works out lovely. So now I'm loving the different lengths for the journaling lines as well. And I get that that seems kind of weird, because maybe like the short lines, I can really only fit 1 word or something like that. But I think it really keeps the variety going, and that's what helps the overall design of the page, from it not feeling stagnant or like everything just looks exactly the same, so there's nothing really particularly interesting there. It's really quite fascinating how this is all coming together, but I did learn a lot last week, and I did learn a lot about how I really just want to be establishing the habit right now of journaling. So I'm not going too crazy with thinking about, oh my gosh, I want to add and pour my heart out. Maybe at some point I'll feel that way, but for now, I just want to establish the habit. And this is really helping me do that, having something already decorated and ready to go I just need to sit down and journal. So I'll just keep adding the lines for Saturday and Sunday as well and doing the exact same principles over and over again. However, I recognize that I may be lighter on journaling on the weekends. I don't really know yet since I'm not established, but we'll see when we get there, right? Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks so much and make it a great day.